Howdy, y'all. For me, it's an honor to be talking to such lovely people. You might think I am the weatherman for Galveston for this crazy weather.
He's crazy.
But actually, Martha and I work for the IT department at Texas A&M University Galveston campus, a usually sunny and beautiful place. But not today. Here at Tamug, our department is constantly working to implement the latest technology to turn our classrooms into a modern learning environment. Hey, that's the real me. Hi, Gerald. Every year we have the opportunity to show our new students, teaching assistants, and professors the technology they can use and how to use it to improve their teaching and learning experience. And that is where our story begins.